Hi, welcome back to my channel, Kojja Walusimbi's Cooking for Beginners, and today we are making chaps. Yes, start there. Yeah, much better. It was too close. So, chaps are a Ugandan delicacy sold in literally most restaurants, and they're easy to make. I used to get mine from Sikuwakalango, but I used to get mine from Chicken Tonight. I'm not giving them an ad, and I believe they had the best chaps ever. Um, so yeah, come with me. Come, let's cook today. All right. Get you 1 pound of ground beef. You can use ground turkey or any other meats, or chicken. I think it's ground chicken. Is that ground chicken? So yeah, get your 1 pound of ground beef. You mix in half a cup of flour and 1 spoon of starch, of cassava starch, which is commonly known as yaku in most Asian stores. Yaku. I'm going to use my Ziploc bag. Preferably it would have been a silicone kneading bag, or you can use a saucepan, but yeah. So you have to use garlic, as much garlic as you want, carrots, onions and ginger, and get your cilantro, commonly known as kotimiri. Yeah. 1 large green pepper, and blend it all with turmeric, black pepper, salt, and yeah, that's how the mix comes out as. Mash in some chili. Yeah, that's the kick that you need in your chaps. Yeah. So you're going to throw everything in your silicone bag. I prefer silicone bags because they're not messy. And it kind of saves time, and it's like a workout. So I put everything in, your blended spices, plus veggies, plus the meat, and in the silicone bag, or the Ziploc, sorry. Zip it up and start kneading. There we go. I don't know what I'm saying there, but yeah. But yeah, we're coming up. Knead away. This is so easy. Yeah. It doesn't leave a messy kitchen. So you can knead it in a pan, like how they cook under in a pan. But I prefer Ziploc because, kneading it in a pan, you're like, but in the Ziploc, it's like all tied up in here. Yeah. This is so easy, I have a friend who loves chaps, and I was like, you know what? Why not make them for her? Social distancing. Just going to make them. She's gonna pick them up. But yes. So knead it in your silicone until everything mixes up. Put flour in your kneading space. Well, so the beef patty is sticky, as you can see, so you don't want it to stick down, and because it's more beef than flour, unlike chapati where it's just all together. Anywho, English. So yeah, just sprinkle on a little bit more flour, as you can see. I'm sorry for my camera angles. We're in quarantine and I need a camera video technician. But yeah, let it space out, then put flour on your kneading stick and cook under away. Reason for for putting flour is just that it doesn't stick down when you're chopping it up.
So kinda your chaps away, kinda your chaps. I did an amazing job. Did great, sweetie. So yeah, kinda chapsy. You know, don't be in a rush. Food is supposed to be with love. That's the secret. Yeah, you know, level it down. You know, so that it's like a small layer. You can put in baking powder. I forgot, but I didn't put in mine. So yeah, chaps are circular, so I used the dish. You know, you can use a cup, but I used the dish to make circular, you know, shape. You can use stars. You can use anything really. Yeah. Oh. So that was my first set of 3. Kanda once again. You know, knead. Sprinkle on a little flour. I believe that's why I do not put in a lot of flour in the beginning, because you know I knew I was gonna put in some more flour when I'm kneading. Yeah, so kind of make more circular, you know, make more circular shapes until everything is done. So heat up your pan, you know, heat it up. Kanda away. There we go. Kanda away. Put in your oil. This has to be super hot because we're deep frying them. On high. So yeah, I use the flat spatula. They just slide off easy. And cover so it doesn't sprinkle everywhere. Then I use tongs to turn it on the other side, you know, so that it cooks both ends. But I think, yeah, I had Carlton. But yeah, cook both sides. No. And yeah, put on a paper towel so that, you know, the oil just drains out. Continue the process. And cover. Then use your tongs to turn it. Yeah. Oh. Doing great, sweetie. Then use your tongs. They cook for a minimum of 3 minutes. They cook for a minimum of 3 minutes, so 3 to 5 minutes each. Yeah. So here's the tricky part. You egg it after cooking it first. Yeah. So many people's chaps get burnt because they put them in the egg and they put them in the pan and they heat them and they cook them, so the egg gets burnt while the chaps is still it's undercooked. So what you do, you cook them like the way I did, then you egg them and then you cook them again. So yeah, these are the chaps that I already finished cooking. So now I'm dipping it in an egg. You dip it in, grab your tongs. Yeah, there we go. the dipping egg won't cook. Ta-da! It cooks for like about a minimum of like a minute. So yeah, this is the finished product. You can see. Yeah, that is our chaps number 1. Yeah, you know, always put paper towels to drain that extra oil that you do not need. So easy and simple. Look at that. Yeah, I sliced them the chicken into my dolls. They smell so amazing. I can smell them to this. Yeah, I garnished them with lime. Oh, I forgot about that part. Squeeze a fresh lime. Yeah. So as I wait for the person who requested for chips to come pick them up, I'll try them myself, and you know the drill. Try them and tag me, please. Let's see how your chops come out. Amen. Amen.